Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will read Quranic alphabets, lesson 1, part 11. This lesson is brought to you by eQuranacademy.com. If you want to learn Quran online at home with live Quran classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran teachers, visit now eQuranacademy.com and sign up for 3 days free trial classes. Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha. This is single Ain. When we write in Arabic, Ain will write like this, and this is Ha. Ha has no dot. Ha has clear sound. Ain is below. Ha is green. Please read after me. Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha. Ghain has one dot on top. This is single Ghain. When we write in Arabic, Ghain will write like this. Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ba'ain Ba'ain Ba'ain. This is single Ba. When we write Arabic, Ba will write like this. Ba has one dot below. This is Ain. Ain has no dot. This is single Ain. When we write Arabic, Ain will write like this. Please recognize this shape. This is Ain. When Ain comes in words, Ain will write like this. You have to recognize this shape. Ba-Ain. Ba is below. Ain is green. Please read after me. Ba-Ain. 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 Ya Ghain. Ya Ghain. This is single Ya. When we write Arabic, Ya will write like this. This is single Ghain. Ghain has one dot on top. When we write in Arabic, Ghain will write like this. Ghain has one dot on top. And you have to recognize this shape. Please recognize this shape. When you read Quran, it will be hard if you don't understand, if you don't recognize this shape. You should recognize this shape 100%. Ya Ghain. Please read after me. Ya Ghain. Ya Ghain. Ya Ghain. Ya Ghain. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Please read after me. Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ain Ha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ghain Kha Ghain, kha. Ghain, kha. This is ha. Ha has clear sound. Ha. And this is ha. 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 This is difference. Ha. Ha. Ba'ain. Please read after me. Ba'ain. 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 You have to read with Arabic pronunciation. We cannot read Quran without Arabic pronunciation. If you cannot read with pronunciation, please watch our previous lessons. Ba'ain. Ba'ain. Please read after me. Ya ghain. Ya ghain. Ya ghain. Ya ghain. Ya ghain. Okay, we have completed today's lesson. If you have any question regarding this lesson or you don't understand anything, please ask us in comment section below and we will give you a quick answer, inshallah. Please share this lesson with your family and friends and spread this light, and inshallah you will get reward from Allah Ta'ala. Inshallah, tomorrow we will read part 12 from Tha Ya to Ya Jim Ba. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.